Hello viewers, so today I'll be going to show you how to use an RDP or to get free RDP online for free trial. So we'll go and visit this site called Upon not Upon Play, uponfly.com. Then you click OK or enter. So there is some internet issues just. So we are back. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. So we click and start trial. As you can see, start free trial. Then you wait a little bit. So they'll be looking for a trial machine, but this is a Windows version of it. So we'll be given a Windows machine for your trial. So that's the link, htmlgw3.uponfly.com. So that's the free trial. As you can see at the corner, trial expires in 29 minutes. Let's say 30 minutes. You are given 30 minutes of free trial. So we can go ahead and refresh this page. Sure, it's responding well. Also, when you see everything is right, just open it. You can see you have a free trial version. You can use it, so you can go ahead and check the location, internet speed, anything you want. So go accept all, confirm. So to check the internet speed, go and search for fast.com or download speed. So my internet is somehow slow, so you just go ahead. I think these things that are trying to slow me down. Let's go. Yes, those things were trying to slow me down. So we go to fast.com and we click enter. So as you can see, the speed is quite well enough. So another site to check your location, you just go to .net, world.net to check your IP. Click enter. Boom, there you are. Click on. So this is Sage Republic, and the DNS is for Germany. It's a German DNS. So there you have it. So you can check your speed and your internet speed and your location to be sure, because the VPS, some people use them for remote tasks, like they want to access things from other countries, so they can use the VPS, the RDP, not the VPS. I think it's just that is virtual private server, that is VPS, and the RDP is the remote desktop. So that's how you get yourself free RDP for trial for only 30 minutes. So there is another method, but currently I don't have a fresh email. So that one can just show you I can give you the procedure on how to do it. So I'll leave it in the description, but you'll have to go to Google Cloud. So here it is, Notepad. So that's I'll just put for you here, and I'll put it in the description also. So this you can access, but for this you have to go to Google Cloud. Let me show you so that you have some clues before visiting the site. So go to Google Cloud. Once you are there, go to this first link of Google Cloud.google.com. Open it. Even here we can just go to YouTube. Let me try and play some videos over here from YouTube. Oof. Oh, just a tire sound. Let me try just from my own side. Go to YouTube. Cloud computing. Go to console. You open the console. Go somewhere like that. So yeah, how you do it is just so different. You enable, make sure that you have activated the cloud, this sign over here. Then you copy paste this code. Then you change your port to 6017. Then you'll have your RDP ready. If you got it, so that's the method I have.